What if I tell you, any missile fired toward India has to survive multiple kill zones before even reaching its target? Not one system, not two, but a multi-layered air defense trap designed to detect, track, and destroy threats within seconds. This is not just defense, this is an invincible network. But before I break this down, hit subscribe to DefNexus right now, because here, I decode power, not just headlines. India's Integrated Air Defense System, or IADS, is like a battlefield grid stretched across the sky, where detection and destruction happen in real time. At the very top sits the eyes and brain advanced radars like Rohini, Arudra, and Netra AWACS. These are scanning hundreds of kilometers, tracking every potential threat and beaming live data into IACC's command centers, where decisions are made literally in seconds. That's when the layered response kicks in. Let's start with the outermost shield. India's strategic defense systems, the PAD and AAD interceptors. These are not your average missiles. They can destroy incoming ballistic threats in the upper atmosphere, or even in space, before they can even dream of hitting their target. But suppose something does sneak past. Now it enters the long-range kill zone. This is where the S-400 Sudarshan Chakra rules. It can track targets up to 600 kilometers away and eliminate threats at 400 kilometers. Stealth aircraft, cruise missiles, nothing escapes its radar net. Move in closer, and you find the backbone, the medium-range layer. Akash and Barak 8 missiles are deployed here, protecting cities, air bases, and critical infrastructure. They work relentlessly, forming an unbreakable wall around what matters most. Now, for anything that's still left, the short-range layer takes over. Systems like Spider and QRSAM react within seconds, intercepting cruise missiles, drones, or anything trying to break through at low altitude. And finally, the inner shield. This is the last line. L-70 guns, ZSU-23 Shilka, and Igla manpads. These take out threats at literally point-blank range. If you're a hostile missile and you've made it this far, you're basically out of luck. Here's the real genius. Everything is interconnected. One detection triggers multiple layers, all working together, instantly. This isn't just defense. It's a deadly sky trap, where even the fastest weapon struggles to survive. Subscribe to DefNexus, because future wars will be decided before the enemy even sees the target.